Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's Silverado Sierra 2500 HD. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any lines and power harnesses from the work area. And begin cutting or torching off and punching out the 6 rivets retaining your leaf spring hanger and leaf spring hanger support bracket. You may need to lift your vehicle in order to separate the hanger from the frame. Clean and grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Our part features removable perforated plates to allow the part to go around the spare tire crossmembers retaining rivets. If you are not replacing the crossmember, remove these plates as needed. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 3. Push the part onto the frame while using the part holes to help with alignment. Reinstall your leaf spring hanger and support bracket with the included hardware with a 15mm and 14mm socket and wrench. Step 4. If you purchase part number RB7815, the neighboring overaxle frame section, do not weld on this edge, as the two sections sit next to each other and will need to be welded together. Completely weld the part to the frame. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.